Hello people. Today I wanted to show you how to create texture for a UV layout. When you clean, because I have created before, so I would like to show you. This is what I rendered by using painted texture plus V-Ray material for hair, but this has been painted in Photoshop. I would like to show you from the beginning. I think I will have to. Wait a minute, why this not navigating? Oh yes, I had to double click on that material to be navigated. Okay, now I will create new texture. We need the 2K resolution. UVW face layout. I think I need that material a little bit darker. I will be able to see UV mesh grid. If you go to Window, Layer Manager, and Layer, create UV Mesh Layer. Oh, this looks okay. I just have to export to Photoshop. I don't know if this makes... Wait, wait a minute. Oh, actually I could do like that. I will have to see what happens after when I export Photoshop. And okay. What about color there? Oh, color there looks okay. I think I can export it. Oh, I didn't know I can put two next to each other. I didn't know if this was possible. Okay, I will now export by clicking right mouse button. Photoshop file. Oh, oh, that is why I wasn't able to see. I was a little bit angry as I could not see my texture. Okay. This can be a little bit tricky to work with texture, but you have to know how to work with layers. I'm happy because I can still feel the background. I can still feel in that background. Choose whatever color you like. Wait a minute, this be... Aha, okay. Hmm. Okay, that's fine. I just had to Wait a minute, why this is painting like that? Oh, sorry, because I used the wrong brush. Oh no, I used the completely wrong brush. I don't know why they added this brush. I never used this. Photoshop can also be working fast. But I always said issue with Adobe Photoshop working too slow. But we can hide this grid and we can oh, I forgot to set high quality. UV UV face screen. Okay, after that we can clean this up and we can load our texture once again. Oh, looks amazing. I am happy. Our texture has been imported. Oh, looks okay. I like very much. Big all difference wheel paint using Photoshop. We will also have to add some other details. Actually this is high resolution map. I haven't painted mouth because that tutorial would be too long. I hope you like my video tutorial. Also don't forget to add the box, otherwise your texture will be missing. Files, add folder. Why I added folder? Because this folder contains that texture where I saved. So Cinema 4D will know where that texture is. It will not be missing. Like sometimes this program has problem when it tries to search for texture. I see you guys. Have a nice evening. I just have to overwrite my project. Start by name. Wait a minute, where I just have to overwrite. Need to have copy. I hope you will have nice evening.